In this video, I'll show you how to change country or region on Fortnite. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now, let's say if you're currently a Nigerian, like I'm going to use myself as an example. I'm currently a Nigerian, and let's say if I relocate to US, and I'd love to change it, like I'd love to adjust the settings on my Fortnite account. What I need to do now, I'll just click on this, click on account. So wait for it to open up. So once this has opened up, what you need to do, just scroll down gradually. You're going to be able to see country and region. So I'm a Nigerian, and if I relocate to US, to the United States of America, and I'd love to change, so I need to do, I'm going to just do this. You can see United States here, so click on it. So once you are done, click on Save Changes. You can be able to do this. So, but you're going to be able to agree and confirm to some verifications, right? So this is how I can be able to do this. So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.